and welcome to Contractor's Point of View. My name is Gary, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Veto PAC TP3. It's a service bag made by Veto. We're going to be going through some of the things. I'm going to be using this bag for the next couple weeks, maybe even longer, depends how much I like it. So let's get into this video. All right, first of all, you've got some nice leather with the construction, things like that. Lots of pouches. So let's go over some of the specifics it shows here on the card. Key features are 15 vertical pockets of various sizes, electrical tape strap, meter pocket, bit extension pockets, 2 D-rings, belt clip, belt slot, so 2 different ways to attach it to yourself. Detachable rubber handle, nylon plastic connection clip, and a durable leather trim panels. Okay, so 5-year limited warranty. So the 5-year zero downtime warranty, basically what this says, it's the best of all that you can get. Zero downtime warranty, and what they're wanting to say is that if you have an issue with the bag, it's a manufacturer's defect or something like that, they will send you another tool bag in the time that you send your other one back and get it repaired or replaced. So you'll have at least something to use in the meantime. So let's look at some of the features. My camera's a little close for this, but we'll do our best. So here's your meter pocket, another pocket for a few other things. Definitely some good sized pockets for either large screwdrivers or cutters. And then some side pockets, your D-ring, 2 more side pockets over here. Same thing on this side, pretty much mirror image of the other side. You've got your tape clip. The only thing I don't like about the, I prefer a chain as to the webbing, because after a while I have worn these out. I know that may seem hard to believe, but these do wear out and start to fray and stuff. I've never broken one, but they do start to have some fuzzies hanging out all over the place, and you know what I'm talking about. But it does come off, so if you want to unclip it. One of the other things I like about this bag, just looking at it, I haven't used it yet, is you've got a couple different ways to clip it to your belt or your pocket. This nylon plastic clip, it's pretty heavy. It doesn't flex very much, so you know it's pretty much on there. Then you got your normal belt slot to put your 2-inch belt, tool belt, whatever, going through there, or even just your normal pants belt. And then you've got this handle. So if I can set it down here under the camera correctly, it does set up vertically. And then you can grab it, take it to the next place that you're working and set it down, and it works really well. So that's some of the information here. First on the Veto PAC TP3. And oh, I forgot to open this. There's your ASMR for the video. Okay, so some Velcro. I know that's going to get ruined after the first 20 times of use, but that's just the way Velcro is. I haven't found any good Velcro. There's your your bit slots for your different size bits. Quarters, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, stuff like that. And then it's got a little pocket basically to carry whatever. Now you notice this one doesn't have a tape measure holder, so this isn't what that is designed for. This is more for a service bag to take in, like I said, with your meter, a couple other small tools to go service something to find out what's wrong with it. Then you bring in the big tools to make all the adjustments. So something you get some maintenance information, talks about how to take care of the zippers. This particular bag doesn't have any zippers, but it still comes included. Then tells you to register your bag. 5-year zero downtime warranty, talks about that, talks about the construction, and you get a sticker. Now I'm a big sticker fan because I put the stickers on all of my laptops, different things like that. So I like getting a sticker now and then with anything I get. So I love these. So that's the introduction for the Veto PAC TP3. Now, if you already know you need a bag and something like that, I will throw a link down in the description below so that you can find it on Amazon. They are decently reasonable for a good tool bag like this and the construction, plus the warranty. And I will also be doing a video here in a few weeks to tell you what I like about the bag, what I don't like about the bag, And because this is about the same size tool bag that I use for all my other stuff. So I can't wait to get into using this and be able to report back to you and tell you how I like it for the stuff that I do. And as always, if you like the video, hit that like button. If you would consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this, I'd appreciate it. And if you want to share this with anybody who might be looking for a service bag, smaller, not huge, this might be the thing you want to share with them. And until next time, stay safe out there.